Today, we're learning everyday English idioms and phrases in a fun and easy way. We'll also explore their opposites to make your English even sharper. Let's start with a piece of cake. It means something very easy to do. For example, meeting deadlines is a piece of cake for Steve. The opposite of that is a tough nut to crack. It means something difficult to solve or understand. For example, learning a new language is a tough nut to crack. Let's talk about spill the beans. It means to reveal a secret. For example, Tom spilled the beans and ruined the plan. On the other hand, keep under wraps means to keep something secret. For example, David kept the details under wraps until the meeting. Next up is under the weather. It's used when someone is feeling unwell. For example, Sarah felt under the weather after the long journey. Now, fit as a fiddle is the opposite, meaning very healthy and strong. For example, Emily looks fit as a fiddle after the gym session. Next, a commonly used idiom is break the ice. It's used to initiate a conversation or interaction. For example, he smiled and said hello to break the ice. The opposite of that is cold as ice, meaning emotionally distant or unfriendly. For example, Tom was cold as ice, ignoring everyone around him. Can you frame a fun sentence with this idiom and post it in the comments? Next, a commonly used idiom is burn the midnight oil. It means working late into the night. For example, John burned the midnight oil to meet the deadline. On the other hand, take it easy means to relax, stay calm, or not work too hard. For example, Tara told Jack to take it easy after the long flight. Next idiom is cost an arm and a leg. It means something is extremely expensive. For example, that gold pendant costs an arm and a leg. On the flip side, cost next to nothing means very cheap or affordable. For example, the gift costs next to nothing, but it means a lot. Next idiom is a blessing in disguise. It's something that seems bad at first but turns out good. Here, the box was first old and dusty, but it has treasure in it. For example, Liam's failure turned out to be a blessing in disguise. On the other hand, a curse in disguise is something that seems good at first but turns out bad. Here, she holds the sparkling gift box, but it has some danger inside. For example, winning the lottery was a curse in disguise for Nancy. Next idiom is a diamond in the rough. It refers to something of great value hidden under a rough exterior. For example, the old house looks messy now, but it's a diamond in the rough. On the flip side, a wolf in sheep's clothing is someone or something that looks safe but is actually dangerous. For example, the friendly dog turned out to be a wolf in sheep's clothing. Thanks for watching. For more fun learning with visuals, hit subscribe and stay tuned.